Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll share with you how to cut an A-line slash abaya dress. I'm going to share with you step by step on how I made this dress. So sit back, relax, come with me and let's get started. So these are the tools I used, and this is the fabric I used. I used the Duchess fabric. The first thing I did was that I went ahead to draft a basic bodice. So from my full length at the basic bodice, I flare out from that full length at the hip line all the way to the full length of the dress, creating an A-line shape. I tried cutting on the fabric directly, but the fabric is very slippery, so I tried to use a basic bodice pattern to do this to save time and also fabric. For this dress, I used a canoe neckline for both front and back with a neck width of 5 inches and a neck depth of 3 inches. I'll separate the pattern from the fabric now so that we can work on the fabric. After separating the pattern from the fabric, this is what I have. The first thing I'll do is to place the front and the back on each other, right side facing right side. After that is done, I'll go ahead and join the shoulder by 0.5 inch on each side. After I join the shoulder, I'll also go ahead and join the side, and for this side I added 1 inch for ease and 2 inches for sewing allowance. So I'll be stitching on the 2 inches for sewing allowance. I will stitch down from the armhole all the way to the full blouse length. After joining the side, this is what I have. I've joined the side and also the shoulder. Next thing I'm going to do now is to pipe the neckline. I'm going to use a bias. I have a detailed tutorial on how to go about this. I'll drop the link for you in the description box. The next thing I'll do is to make the sleeve. In order to do that, I went ahead to draft a basic sleeve, and then I came out by 7 inches and 1 inch for sewing allowance. After that, I'll connect from the armhole down to the allowance. Once that is done, I'll connect from the sleeve length now all the way to the allowance. Then I'll also connect from the armhole to the allowance. And the next thing I'll do now is to transfer this pattern to the fabric. Since I'm making 2 sleeves, I folded my fabric into 4 and transferred the pattern, and this is what I have. The next thing I'll do now is to insert my elastic to the sleeve. And after doing that, this is what I have. And next thing I'll do now is to attach this sleeve to the bodice. And this is what I have. Next thing I'll do is to attach my paper stone on the fabric. The first thing I'll do, I'll peel off the paper stone. I'll separate it gradually this way, and once I separate it, this is what it will look like. And after I separate it, I'll decide where I want to place the stones on. Now I'm going to be placing it directly under the last stone that I've placed on it before. After I've placed the stone and I like where I placed it, I'll smoothen it out with my hands. I'll make sure that it's smooth, there's no squeezed part underneath it, and once I'm done with that, I'll place this fabric on it this way. And after placing this fabric on it, I'll sprinkle water on this fabric. Now if you have a steamy iron, you can use your steamy iron, and once I'm done, I'll place this pressing iron on it and make sure that I press it down. And after I press the stones down to the fabric, I'll peel off the leather this way from the stones gradually, and this is what I have. And if you enjoyed this tutorial so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.